Good morning, children. Today we will start story writing from writing section. Story writing is not new for you. You all have done it earlier. You know that how you have to do it. Now, I just want to clear some of the points. See, story writing is written in the format of a narrative. They are fictional narratives based on the beginning or outline, hints, clues given in the question. So they are fictional, means you have to use your imagination power, and it should be based on the beginning, whatever the beginning is given, or outline, hints, clues given in the question. The purpose of asking you to write a short story is to improve your creative and imaginative thinking. A story usually narrates an incident with its associated happenings or may expand on one thought or idea. Now, some of the main elements of a short story I just want to discuss with you. First is theme. This is the main idea. It may be a message, moral, abstract idea, a lesson learned, etc. These all belong to the theme, that what should be the theme of your story. Now, plot. It is a logical sequence of events which leads to the conclusion. The type of plot may be adventurous, mystery, suspenseful, comic, etc. You can take any plot, depends upon the situation or depends upon the beginning which is given in your question. Now, third one we will come to setting. It is the background or location where the action takes place. It may be real or fictional. Fourth, characters. The story usually has people, animals, or other living creatures. Your story can include people, animals, or other living creatures, but they must be based on real life to give the story credibility. Usually there is one main character in the story with other minor characters to support the plot. One main character should be there in the story and with other all the supporting characters. Now the last one is mood or atmosphere. Now it may be cheerful, happy, tense, suspenseful, neutral, depending on the question. Whatever the question you have got, you have to go through it, use your imagination power, your creativity, and explore the same. Now, children, there are some steps which I want to please listen it carefully for writing a story. Some steps I am telling you. First is start the story in an interesting manner which attracts the readers. Your beginning should be very attractive so that the reader should get interest in it. Second, develop the characters in the story through meaningful dialogues. Dialogue should be very meaningful. Third one is use the setting and context to develop the mood and atmosphere. Your setting should be such that it develops the mood and the atmosphere so that the reader takes interest in reading your story. Fourth one is develop the plot by creating tension or conflict through opposition between characters or between the main character and external forces. The plot which you have taken, you should develop it by creating tension or by having the conflict through the opposition between characters. By this your story will look interesting. Now, fifth one is build up to a climax and find a resolution to the conflict, thus ending the story appropriately. Climax should be there, means the conclusion part should be there, a proper story should be there. Now, these two important things I have told you, that main elements of a short story and the steps to write a short story. Now, there are some points which you have to keep in mind. Please listen them very carefully, children, because this question is very important. First one is focus should be on a single incident. Take only one incident and your focus should be on that only. Second, always use past tense while writing a story. You have to always use past tense. Third, frame the story keeping in mind the central character. The central character should be keep in mind and you have to explore or you have to develop your story around him only. Fourth, climax of the story should be clear and satisfying. Whatever the end you are giving to your story, it should be clear. Fifth, make simple and innovative use of language. Your language should be very simple. Then, stick to the limit of 150 to 200 words. Don't go beyond this limit. Next, make sure that the story has a moral message if it requires one. If your story has some moral or message, then you should have to write it. Then the last one is that a title may be given to the story if the question requires it. Otherwise, it is optional. If the question requires the title, then you should have to give it. Otherwise, it is optional. But try to give it. Try to give it. Now, this all I have cleared it about story writing format I am giving you, and one question is also there. Based on that, you have to develop the story of your own. Okay, thank you. Children, some sample stories I am giving you for practice. Go through them.